Emirali is it. I am the driver of HAASTA, the VL Commodore. So I gave it to my brother and the boys 11 days before my wedding, which was last year in March, and they thrashed on it to get it ready just so I could drive it to the wedding. And then as you get the bug, you know, one after the other, more power, more power. So I've gone from, you know, standard to the blown, and I blew the bottom end, so now bigger bottom end, more horsepower, and I'm wrapped with the car. So the car was my dad's car, as you just take your dad's belongings as you get older. He's had it for 20 plus years. It was a Group A replica before with a 308 with a T4 in it, 9-inch. So it was basically already halfway there. So I just took that out, put an LS in it. Still the same T4, billet axles in the rear, 9-inch, 31 spine. It wasn't standard LS bottom end. I blew it, so we've got a 406 cast iron block on the bottom. Diamond pistons, Callie's rods, LSA blower. It's the Cadillac blower from the States, which is a 1.9 litre. Got an 18% overdrive on the blower for more boost. I got to thank Sam's Performance down there, Mo, who built the engine himself. It's a Turbo 400 with a B&M shifter on it. I don't want to keep blowing clutches with all that power at the front, you know what I mean? So it had a T4 in there from before, so I just thought keep it in there. It's running a standard ECU out of a LS. I've got the Haltech IQ7 dash, running flex fuel with E85. On its current stage on E85, it's running at 727 horse at the wheels, yeah, on a hub dyno. So it's mini tub, yeah, to the rails, 4-link. I did actually crack the panhard rod on the way in, and we had to go race to the welding shop to get it welded up before I could do any passes. I've got 20s on the front, and they're 15 by 10s on the back with 275 Mickey Thompsons on there. Yeah, so I've got an original Calais turbo at home, so I'm into the VLs. So then I thought, you know, I don't want to spend copious money on that one. I'll just spend copious money on this one. But yeah, I love the car. I've always loved VLs. So yeah, the car at the track before the bottom end ran a 10.4. Yeah, but then now got more power, but you can't get the power down. The surface out here is really tricky. You actually got to have to dial it in, you know, tyre pressure, suspension setup. You can have all the power in the world, but if you can't get it to the floor, so it's really slippery out here. So I want to thank the boys, as I should say, the bro, Jacanis, Musti, Sam's Performance, LS Conversions, Gareth up there, Cootamundra for the conversion. Yeah, I'm loving it. I smashed him. Yeah, no, come off good. Bit slipped on the line a bit, but yeah, I've got to get that down. Otherwise, you can't win if you're spinning, huh? Loving it. Constant 12s before, then I serviced it this morning, new plugs, played around with the suspension, got down to 11.1, so hopefully this one was better. Yeah, it felt better.
Another win, you are now guaranteed top 4 on the list.
It's going all right. I'm getting used to these things.
What happened on the run?
It was all right, it was good. I slipped a bit, but then, yeah, just powered through it. I seen him right next to me. I'm thinking, don't back off, so I just kept going. Yeah.
You're stoked. You seem pretty happy.
I'm over the moon, bro. You don't understand how much fun I'm having, eh? It's the best.